blender, to grab yourself a blender. And welcome back to the Paradiso channel. We emphasize on health, beauty, and nutrition, as well as saving the planet. So if you're not already a vegan, I highly recommend it because today we're going to be making a summer salad as well as a raw vegan dressing. Now, I absolutely love this dressing because it's very medicinal and healthy, and it helps fight against cancers and any inflammation in your skin. So let's get it rocking. Already got a blender. I highly recommend buying one because this is a dressing, so you don't have to go to the store and buy those dressings that are full of who knows what. So first, for the ingredients, we have our fresh turmeric, ginger, tomato, onion, and we also have our fresh silver beet from the garden, freshly picked. We have our tahini, which highly recommend getting the unhulled tahini. It's much better for you, but I don't have that right now, so. Then you just want your salt, your pepper, and a couple herbs. If you can get fresh herbs from the store, I highly recommend putting that in your sauce as well. Today, I don't have that. So, let's start with making the sauce and then we'll do the salad. Okay. Add my fresh ginger into it. Daisy's like, I don't want it. Why are they giving me this old woman? Oh, great. So this is what you're going to start with: your tomato, onion, turmeric, ginger, and lemon. It's going to add some salt, because what happens here is it's actually going to cook. So it has a nice pre-cooking in there, so all the acids can cook together before adding the rest of the ingredients. So let's do it. Cut. Now that I have added all my ingredients to the blender, I'm going to turn it on and just let it cook maybe for about 5 minutes. Let it now cook for a little bit. All right, cut. So we've just let the ingredients cook for a while. So now I'm just going to add a pinch of the salt, the pepper, obviously. Can't go without pepper. Obviously, fresh ground pepper is always going to be a better option, as well as fresh rosemary if you have it. But I don't, so I'm just going to put a bit of the powder in. Then I've got a bit of mixed Italian herbs. For my taste, I prefer. You don't have to. It's up to you. And then curcumin, which should be grinded up freshly. So just a quick little sprinkle of the curcumin. And that should be all for the spices and taste. So now I'm just going to add the final ingredients, which is the fat and the silver beet. I'm just going to add my tahini as my fat. You can either use olive oil or avocado or any kind of fat, because you want to have a fat, a citrus, and a vegetable in your sauce. And then another spoon of tahini. Obviously, the more fat, the better the taste. So it's up to you how far you want to take it. Then I'm just going to cut up my silver beet as the final ingredients. guys, that was the sauce recipe. Let's give it a good try. Tastes so fresh, tastes so amazing. Like, seriously, love it. I love how raw food energizes my body and makes good. Here I have some fresh organic cut lettuce in DVs and in DVs. So seriously, the flavor on that is amazing. I have some black rice that's been cooked, which is ancient black rice, very medicinal, very healthy. Now, I love raw foods because it just makes me feel so energized, and vegan foods are amazing. And I get my protein from the lettuce leaves and from my sauce, which has the silver beet in it. So I do get my protein, my fat, and my carbs all in one hit. So we're just gonna focus on the salad now. I'm just gonna add my salad into my bowl. Beautiful colors there. Now I'm gonna add my sauce on top. Okay. Now I'm gonna mix my sauce with my salad. Now the great thing about this is because my onions, my garlic, my tomato is all in the sauce, so I don't have to prepare and cut this. The sauce will literally last me about 3 days in the fridge and will be super potent and delicious throughout. If you want to add chili, then go for it, but I didn't add any chili to this one because I simply forgot. Now add a nice slice of avocado. Add, what happened? And then top it with some black rice. Is that a nice shot? So thank you guys for joining us on this video today. It was a pleasure having you here and making this delicious meal. I absolutely dig this meal so much because there's just so many medicinal properties to this meal. Thank you so much for joining us. Make sure you like and subscribe because there's so many more cooking videos coming your way. Hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos, guys. Thank you so much for joining us today. See you later.